Guys doing? It's Derek Bernard again up here at Hyundai of Asheville. Today we'll be explaining Android Auto and Apple Carplay. That also works in the Genesis and the Hyundai as well. And right now we're sitting in the 2019 G70, one of my personal favorite vehicles. So what I'm going to do is just going to hit the button one time just to bring up the accessories, and the vehicle's actually not on. Then all you would need is your cord. I have the Apple, so I'm just gonna simply plug up right here in the USB, and then I'm going to simply place it into like so, as if we were charging, and it actually charges your phone as well. And then you'd have to unlock it to be able to use the Apple CarPlay, and it just runs us through a nice little prompt. We just hit OK, and then we would actually press the button here, and then it would pop up to the iPhone screen. This looks very similar to a lot of people. It makes it more personal because you have some of your apps, such as your messages. You can also hit the button on the steering wheel, and that gives you the ability to take us to the mall.
One option I found is
and it's voice command. You can also hit the button and say text mom, tell her I love her, or call mom. It's very, very hands free, just with a simple press of the button. And voila, we have the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto, and we're sitting in the 2019 G70. Thank you guys.